Hi everyone, my name is Titi and this is my friend Agrisni. In this short video, we're going to show you how to talk about local transportation, how to give direction, and how to travel between cities in English. Yes, these are important topics especially when you're traveling or helping someone who's new in town. Let's start with the first part, local transportation and giving direction. Excuse me, I'm a bit loose. Can you help me? I'm trying to get to the central library. Sure, it's actually not far from here. Just go straight along this street for about 5 minutes. When you see a big white Moscow, turn right. The library is just behind the Moscow, next to the city museum. Thanks. Is there any local transport I can take? Yes, of course. You can take a city bus number 7. It stops near the main square, just over there, or you can book an online motorcycle taxi like Ride or Grab Bike. It's faster during rush hour. That's great. What other transport option do people use around here? Well, most people use angkot, that small public minivan, or the city bus. Some prefer bicycles, especially around the campus area. We also have Transjakarta and even MRT in some parts of the city. Awesome! The city feels very lively and friendly. It is, and locals are always happy to help. Have a great day. Thanks a lot. Let's go to part 2. Hi Diti, do you have any plans for the weekend? Actually, I'm thinking of visiting Bandung. How do I get there from here? Bandung is a great choice. You can take a train from Gambir Station. The executive class is about 150,000 and the ride takes around 3 hours. It's very comfortable. That sounds perfect. What about buses? There are many intercity buses too, like Prima Jasa. They are cheaper, around 90,000 rupiah, but the journey takes longer, maybe 4 to 5 hours depending on traffic. And flying, they are flights, but honestly, it's not worth it for short distance like Jakarta to Bandung. The check-in time and airport transfers take more time than the actual flight. Good point. I think I will take the train then. Thank you so much for the info. You're welcome. Don't forget to buy your ticket online in advance. Weekends are always busy. That's the end of our video. We hope you've learned how to talk about directions and different types of transportation. Yes, wherever you're exploring the city or planning a trip out of town, knowing how to communicate these things in English is super helpful. Thanks for watching and see you next time.